This is a fixed handle, specifically designed for French doors. It is supplied with 2 screws. This is a butterfly hinge. This part attaches to the door and this part to the door frame. It also comes with screws. This is a magnet consisting of an upper and a lower part. Each magnet is supplied with a screw and a cap. It is available in both white and grey colors. We assemble the frame by drilling and then screwing in the screws and install it in the opening. We use shims as well as either a laser or bubble level for construction accuracy. After the frame is installed, we insert a rubber plug. We remove the transport overlays. Next, we make precise measurements for hinge installation using a measuring tape. We drill and screw in the hinges. We measure and drill a hole for the magnetic mechanism. The same process is then repeated on the second door. We measure, drill, and install the hinges and magnet. We install the door into the door opening by drilling and screwing the hinges to the frame. We trim the trims to the required size. We install the trims We install the dummy handle. We measure the upper part of the frame for the installation of the magnet on the frame.